How you going? How you going? Cassuki here. This is quite an exciting moment. I've actually decided to start another channel. It's more of a techie channel. Where I'll be doing things like tutorials and things that are quite techie that I've had to learn myself. And it's it's something I've been wanting to do for quite some time. Um, yeah, I'm going to start doing some techie videos. Some of them could be gaming videos that are things like say Minecraft mods, or from building a website. I'm actually looking forward to doing something like that. Um, it's something I've always wanted to try and do. And don't worry, you vlogger watchers, I'll still be doing vlogs, but I'll be doing a majority of like the technical videos. Because I've got skills that I want to show off, and I know what I like, what I do. I'm quite a techie guy. Um, I'm really excited about that. The first video hasn't even been filmed. It hasn't been filmed yet, but I'm going to be doing that sometime this afternoon. Um, Hopefully, I want to post on a Tuesday. At, I don't know, say 4 in the afternoon. If any suggestions, please leave me a comment down below, and I will do my best. If there's anything you want me to have a go at trying to teach you, computer wise, then we'll give it a go. I've got a Raspberry Pi I actually want to tinker with, but one of the things I want to learn is to code. Um, so I thought, why not learn together? So I'm gonna find it out a bit later, and I thought we could do some coding, yeah, some Raspberry Pi coding and some Raspberry Pi little projects. So we'll give it a go and see what happens. I'm really excited for this to be doing this because there's some of the things I'm going to pick. The videos, there isn't anything on the internet. I'm really explaining how to do something. Like I spent from about 4:30 last night till about 3 this morning trying to work out a Minecraft web hosting server. Basically, you host it on a computer, but you actually have a full interface. Makes it. Oh, I'm so eager. See, been up since 3. Yeah, so I've spent a lot of time doing that. So I think that's one of the ideas I've got. I'm a web designer, so I thought we'd do some web projects. Raspberry Pi. Got lots of ideas, lots and lots of ideas. If you're interested, please leave a like and subscribe to my new channel, which I believe is active now, although it hasn't got any viewers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.